What's up, guys? Channel Winner 17 here again, and today I'll be playing this game. This game right here, which I'm holding. I forgot the name of it. Just downloaded it and I just forgot the name of it. Yeah, I know it's sad. Oh, it's called Blacksmith Story. The game. The anime. No, I'm joking. Login platform first. What? Log into platform first. Setting. Okay, guys, hold up. I'll come right back in when I figure this out. Okay, guys, I'm back. And it turns out that I just had to log into my Google Play thing. So, here we go. In this thing is God created all things of this world, intelligent creatures, the human biological intelligence, the monsters, million years of years. Humans and monsters didn't meet each other. That seems like a good thing to me, but I guess not. Things changed as time went by. It went by. Cough, 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 cough. Devils came up all of a sudden. Found no weapon to fight back. What? Wait, I think I meant to say we. Cough, cough, cough. Sorry, young man, I'm dying. Over here, I'm only 96 years old. Yeah. Like I was saying, we found no weapon to fight back. With human who got used to peaceful life with it. The king, oh my gosh, he just died. Who cares? The king encouraged the heroes to fight. Around gave generous rewards to the blacksmiths, making excellent weapons. You are a retired hero. Seize this chance. Run, brought and abandon the blacksmith with all your fortune. I'm back! No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Will you turn the tide of war? Will I or will I not? Yes. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Yes, I might keep this game a physical game. Yes. Okay, back. Who am I recommended to? Welcome. This time, let me introduce you to this star. As you can see, it is the building workshops. Only a few things can be reused. Well, here comes some heroes looking for weapons. Luckily, we have some fun with giant in the world. I'll try to sell them. Are you sure? You just send me away? Now let's go do that. So I get to see them fight. Heroes with weapons in hand will gather in the square. It's their fate to fight, and we are to collect trophies. Dragon dropped me to another hero to change my position. Hey, over there, Dragon dropped me to another position to change my hero. Ready to go? Speak to your god, and he will open the gate for you. Open the gates! We will go and fight this devil. That was mad quick. He a punk. He ran. Boss is back. Cheer up. Woo! Those pieces of wood you brought from the battlefield can be made into wooden daggers. You can make some on the workbench. The repairing of our first workbench is almost finished. We just need some more coins. Also, this can take this manual dagger. You can't make much daggers without it. Speaking of manuals, there should be another stop. Wait, what? There should be another one in this shop. Give me some time. Let me go on the workbench first. I don't really want to sell her that. She really doesn't want that. He wants an axe, bench. Okay, 50, blah, 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 that. Okay, blah, 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 blah. I want that. Let's, come on. Yeah. Hey, boss, don't forget to deploy the workers to make weapons. You can't, oh. What workers? How do you deploy the workers? No, not really. Oh, he really wants a shield. So I'm confused. What workers are you guys talking about? Really? Weak Delta, Beta weak. Okay. Okay, I have a serious question. How do you deploy the workers? Okay then. I guess that won't be made. I guess that's what I kind of guess. Hey boss, don't forget to deploy the workers to make weapons. Weapons can't be made by themselves. How do you deploy the workers? Oh! Oh, I see what you have to do. Ooh. Something's not quite right. Why'd you come, retard? Dang, I got a lot of guys here. You hurry up and get there. Oh, okay. Open the gates, we shall fight! Why'd they name me Roger? Die, you earthworm! Oh no, here's another one. What's up with this earthworm? Rory. I guess Thomas died. Oh, I don't think that was his name. The mine is open. What? You don't know the mine? This is the most valuable thing of the shop. Go along the road. On the left. Well, the old mine was collapsed. This is a new one. The new one is an arrow. And just along the miner can start blah blah blah. I want someone with great mining power. Well, you're the guess what I got, so. Note that the mine cart has its caps. Miners will stop mining if the mine cart. Please check the mine cart regularly and claim all the materials. You can also upgrade the mine carts. Blab. So, I'll give you that. I'll give you that. Hurry up and finish making it. Did we lose any guys? Claim. Guess not. Oops. Shiny guys. Retard. I guess I will go and make my guys fight a little bit. You'll go up there. So will you. These two are knights, so they'll be fine up there. That guy will be fine up there. I want you to go into the front lines. You get up there. I'll leave you up there. Not the old woman. I want you there. I honestly don't. I put the young boy, the youngling there. And then I'll open the gates and leave 3 guys behind. Oh, his name's Dominique. Watch, there's probably gonna be 3 Earthlings. I actually like this game. I'm gonna keep this game. Make a series out of it. I could play this game all day if I had to. They just need better swords. Noah! Don't die, Noah! Oh my gosh, it's a beetle worm. What is that thing? Noah! Noah! How's the art going, Noah? Did you get all the animals in it? Oh, you didn't survive the flood? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Noah. Noah's dead! Ah! Oh, no, he's not. He just ran. You punk! Stay in the fight and fight with your fists! Oh, yay, we can get some stone daggers. Look what I found! The manual sword. We can make new swords. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. 1, 2. Cancel. We can make a wood sword. Oh. Manual dagger, manual sword, rock. So I can make 2 of those. And then I'll actually put my more heavy equipped guys on the front. And better guys in the back. Let's see, what can I claim? What have you been doing? That's that guy. He's sleeping. Let me change you. You know what? No. The guy that's mining can come up here. Then this guy. Add someone there, which would be you. Forge. It would be Forge, right? Oh, no one's really that good at Forge. I'm gonna just out Alpha. Wait, you dummies. Oh gosh, why did I do that? Nah. Well, I'm gonna have to show you guys that. You're waiting. You need something good. You'll be the leader. So let's see. Kingdom headlines. Dear boss, welcome to Blacksmith Story, blah, blah, blah. Okay, that's boring. Hero book. Sword consumes bigger materials. Okay, battle report 6. Beetle worm is driven away. Found, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Shop report. Beta gave you manual sword. Bob Delta gave you Bob. Okay, guys. They tell you some pretty boring stuff, to be honest. Well, I'm gonna just let you stay there, because you deserve the best, sir. Oh, wait, I have a question. Let's go here. Where is the Noah? Oh, they killed Noah. That's Roy. Noah ran away. He a punk. Oh, it tells you the people that you had in here. Oh, Noah. Sure, yes, sure. Delta, waiting orders. Oh, these are my guys. How can I hire new guys? Because, can I hire more guys? No. I'm gonna give you a wooden dagger. And you're an ordinary scene. Oh, you're gonna have to wait, because I need anyone. I want good quality, no matter how it costs. You are now part of the front lines. I don't really want to lose much more men, so I'm gonna put my Ninja. So, those are my Valkyries. Put my Valkyries back in the front. They're actually the warriors. If you guys didn't notice yet. Open the gates! Come on, beetle worm. No sin, come on. I just got him. Nah, I hate you, beetle worm. Plus, we need the rock anyway, so I'm pretty happy about that. Come on. He still wants to attack scene. My real warriors are in the front right now. What's up with that? Seeing you about to die. Protect yourself. You dead. And he took the sword with him. You a robber. he robbed. Well, I guess my leader's dead. See? You didn't survive one day in the battlefield. How do these guys out here survive millions of fights? 4 fights already. I know my Valkyries, my ninja guys survived 4 fights, and my Valkyries, I'm calling them Valkyries because they're girls and I like them. Oh, that didn't sound right. Andy, if you die! Andy! You lived one more day, Andy. Here comes good news. We found the Orb of Bravery. This is the store. You may know the legend Orb of Bravery, blah, blah, blah. Agent got essence. In a blink, in a blink, in a blink. Okay, just keep it, blah, blah, blah. I didn't want to read any of that, okay? This here is the lounge. The workers who have no schedule. Weak, Gamma. Any chili? Well, don't ask me that. I don't know. Do you got any chili, sir? It's your choice. Do you want the chili? I don't think I'm gonna give you the chili. Oh, yes, good house. Let me see something. Attention. A badass is coming. You can rearrange the hero's formation if necessary. Well, you're gonna be in front now. It's Gandalf the Great! Look at that fat. So I got 2 more slots, which will be him. If this thing finishes... Oh, it takes 2 minutes too. Dang it! Oh, you guys won't be going out there. Can I please out somewhere else? Okay, I changed it. And now you're in the lounge. What the heck? You don't have things I want to buy, young man. Well, uh-oh. I hate you. You stingy. You should want to buy anything. Outlast some orbs of mine. Not so many, though. Otherwise, we could sell them in the black market at once. Maybe we should fix the orb collector sooner. Claim. How many orbs I got? Orb collector level 1. So we got 14 orbs. How do you sell them? Hurry up, man. We got some serious guys out there waiting. You know what? You're getting that. No! Who cares? You're not a warrior. Anyone who's not a warrior. Oh, he's... Well, I'm gonna change you to Alpha. Yes, change Alpha. That guy needs some rest. Uh-huh. I'm gonna change you. Dang, I'm getting some serious business. You're gonna sign around for this work one day. I guess. You got bad hope, don't you? I think I'm actually gonna push my Valkyries back some and push these guys back here. No, they're not good. You guys will actually, I'll move you up to here because you seem like a warrior. Where's Gandalf the girl? I got her. Or him. I'm actually going to switch Gandalf the Great out because I don't want you fighting him. So I got 3 guys I can use. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, yes. Finally. You won't take the... Oh, I have to go into battle. Damn it. Keep track of a crew activity. Oh, I can hire someone now. Sign moves business. Okay. Frederick. Spader worm. Valkyries, you must live. Oh, Saw! Please don't die. He attacks someone else. Andy! Please don't die, Andy. No, you're my Valkyrie. Andy! He wished you, Andy. Andy, be grateful. Andy, no! Killed my Valkyrie. You will pay for this, Spader man. Andy's ghost has risen. Seems like we got some iron. Are you the owner? I'm here to deliver us. Blah, 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 blah. I don't really care. So I'm gonna give you that. I'm gonna give Because we only lost one guy, that's why. You are my new leader. Sorry, Gandalf the Great, you're gonna have to go into battle. Oh, Hurricane, we'll fight for him. I don't really care. Knight, Jason, whoop. He's my leader. Because he's honestly gonna be the one doing all the work. We honestly gotta upgrade our guys. I actually didn't think this would work too well, but dang, Christopher, you getting ganked. No, they're trying to attack my leader. Oh, never mind. The snakes are mean. Treants. But I thought treants were supposed to be good things. Why'd they make them so mean in this game? That's not fair. They keep attacking the guy that's doing the most damage. Could I fire some of the guys? Let's go, slaves! Go free! I can't wait till I get swords. Yay! What's that? What? Ooh. We'll fight for boys! Square is full. You will be one of my greatest warriors. Gandalf, you can get out now. Okay, I'll put you back up. Okay, guys. Got bang groups. Slice! Slice! Oh gosh, what should I have done? What should I have done? Get out of there. Okay. I don't want to see that. Okay, guys. Well, um, I just watched this, and then sorry, I've been tired for so long. I just been really concentrated. Um, Grant, please don't die, Grant. I kind of forgot that I was even recording, to be honest. I got some big wood. I'm hungry. I'm hungry for snake blood. Come on, Grant. You suck. I just gave you a wooden sword. My two vouchers were saved today. That. I'm scared. You guys need to get out there quick. Oh no, I hope there's not 8 of these guys. That scared me. Okay, guys, well, I will end it here. I will end it. Wise. Let's see what his stats are. Times hired. Too simple, too native. So what I'll do is I will. What? All my front line was just taken down. Oh, okay. I see what happens. Well, this is a boss battle. First episode, but first boss battle. Ooh. Well, I think I'll end it off here and finish it off later. So see you guys later and talk to you next time. Oh wait. Okay, before I do that, pretend like that never happened. If you guys think my guys can win this, don't forget, smash that like button. In 3, 2, 1, charge! The only way you know what that means if you watch my first videos, because I haven't really did that. Dang, Jason! Oh god. He's countering half of our moves. And Jason's dead. We lost all the sword guys. Okay, well, that's it for today. Bye, guys.